Beginner creator setup. What you actually need to start in 2026. Most beginners fail because they don't even start. Not because they lack talent or ideas, but because they overcomplicate everything. They think they need expensive tools and perfect systems, but here's the truth. To start as a creator in 2026, you only need a simple setup. Choose one platform. New creators make one huge mistake. They try to be everywhere at once and they burn out fast. Instead, pick one platform to master first. If you love teaching, choose YouTube. If you love short content, go with Instagram or TikTok. If you love writing, start a blog. Pick the one that excites you most. Use only 3 tools. You don't need 10 tools to start. Get Canva for free to design thumbnails, post templates, PDFs. Use CapCut or something similar for editing your videos and adding captions. Then choose one all-in-one platform for everything else. That handles your landing pages, email lists, funnels, courses, memberships, community, and checkout. 3 tools and you're ready to build a real business. Your email list is your safety net and your future income. So start building it on day one with a simple lead magnet like a checklist, template, mini guide, or prompt pack. Create one product. Set up a landing page, a welcome sequence, and basic tagging, because this one step separates beginners who succeed from beginners who disappear. Don't try to sell everything at once. Just create one simple digital product. This could be a mini course for $19 or £19 to £49, a template pack for $7 to $29, or a toolkit for $19 to $59. Then build one funnel that goes from lead magnet to welcome email to your starter offer. That's enough to start making money. In weeks 1 and 2, pick your platform and create your first few pieces of content. In week 3 to 4, create your lead magnet and landing page. In week 5 to 6, create your first product and checkout page. In weeks 7 and 8, build your funnel and start collecting emails. In weeks 9 through to 12, create weekly content promoting your offers and optimize. By week 12, you have a real creator business. Become a creator. Start with simplicity, one platform, one offer, one funnel, one rhythm, and one tool to run it all. Start your creator journey today with Zenler. Follow the link in the description.